Dan Matthews here. This is our team group everybody comes to, and they can see the tremendous results that people are having with this company. It's pretty amazing, guys. I guess I can start from the top. Actually, I'm getting into the group first. But anyway, people are joining this company because they're seeing the value in this business, man. It's pretty amazing. That's the reason why I got involved with it, just to the fact that I have a product, a simple thing that everybody needs, especially in the adult life. Something that everybody needs that I can relate to, so financially. And this company is helping people raise their credit score, plus other stuff as well, from 682 to 737. That's amazing. That's a great jump right there, man. And they are doing a phenomenal job, man. People seeing the value in this and actually getting involved with this. So guys, man, if you want to get your credit score right, get involved with us, man. Click the link that's attached to this video. Get started. It's really well worth it. Especially, you get a 2-for-1 special. It'll be you signed up for the benefits, and also your significant other can benefit from it as well. So this is like kind of like buy one, get one free. So guys, look at this. Let's look at this, man. This is amazing. Somebody just got the extra $300 added to the take-home pay from working their regular job. They get paid every 2 weeks, all weekly. I mean, that's pretty amazing. Getting to take home an extra $300 to $600 plus on top of your regular pay that you normally used to get. That's amazing. I mean, that is amazing, man. And people are seeing the value and getting involved with this. Like somebody got a credit limit and got a credit $1,500. I mean, when I got involved with this, I mean, I never had my credit card used to be about, I get approved for 300, maybe 305 maximum credit cards. And I applied for a credit card the other day, and about 2 weeks ago, my credit limit was $8,000. I was like, what? This gotta be a mistake. And I never had a credit limit that high before. That's to show you how powerful this company, what they do, or how they can help you financially. And if you have a high enough cash flow, the higher your credit score will go. So, and the more people will trust you with money. So if you're trying to get a house, rent a car, or even trying to get an apartment, they're going to run a credit score. So you want to have a good credit score just to make your life a little bit easier. Remember, I always say credit is power, man. Having good credit is power. People are going to kiss your butt if you have good credit. So, guys, this is amazing, guys. I mean, look at all these people. So fix your credit, man. Get involved with you even get involved. You don't have to get involved with the business opportunity. Just help yourself financially so you're able to help others, like especially your family, you know. I mean, it makes no sense if your mom and dad having bad credit and your kids suffering the consequences for the mistakes you did in the past. You know, so take care of yourself. Take care of yourself so you're able to take care of others. So fix your credit. Credit is power. That's what I say. So this is amazing, guys. This is amazing. So get involved, man. Click the link attached to the video. If you got any question, just send me a message and I'll gladly answer. I mean, this person got a car. Probably didn't have good credit to get one. Now she got a car and able to get finance because her credit was great. So that is amazing, guys. You have endless of testimonials, real live proof testimonials right here that people is being excited about. So this is amazing, guys. This is amazing. So get involved. All right, Dan Matthews out.